video?
Yes.
Oh, then why the red the cycle is just like a bill? Are you sure you can put on a YouTube video?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you can watch 5. Hello. Yeah, these are my helper. This is my best. So she got me this.
Welcome everyone, this is Will. Welcome to my channel. This is my 69 Charger behind me. So on my channel, so you're going to see some car repair videos, but every now and then I'm going to sprinkle in my 69 Charger. I'm trying to get it in better condition than when I bought it 8 years ago or so. And in this video you're going to watch me clean up the floor. So in the last video I removed all the interior, so you're gonna watch me clean up the floor, take off all the old glue and dirt off the floor, and scrape it off, sand it, get it as ready as possible for new flooring. So the car is now, the floor is now complete, but you're gonna get to watch it also. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so I got me this tool from Harbor Freight. It's supposed to help, it's called the surface conditioner. It's supposed to help clean up the rust and everything off the metal a lot quicker than just a wire wheel. And what I have is a lot of old carpet that was glued down, so I'm trying to get all that stuff off so I can get the metal as clean as possible. You can see it does the new metal a lot better than the older metal. And this is the medium grit, so I'm gonna add the heavier grit and see what happens. All right, so this is the heavier one. Let's see how it does. Working out a lot better. We're gonna keep going with this one for a while, and then we'll switch back. It's a good idea to wear a dust mask and safety glasses while you're doing this, because as you can see, it does blow a lot of rust and dirt everywhere, and you don't want it to get in your eyes. Well, that was quick. You can see the differences on the side. Big difference. So again, I was real impressed with this Harbor Freight tool. It did speed up the process. I would have been doing this all day if I didn't have a tool. As you can see, it does remove a lot of the old glue and surface rust very rapidly, and it really helps just clear all the dirt and grime off quicker than just a normal wire wheel, which I was very impressed. As you see, a lot of it came out. It's looking a lot better, but it will take a lot of work. If you look here, this is getting all peeled out, bunch of old dirt, and you can see a little bit of rust. Trying to get all that out as much as possible. And there is some old, it feels like rubber, some. I'm not sure if it was sprayed from a factory or somebody put some kind of coating a long time ago. I'm just trying to get as much of this off as possible. It always takes me a while to get out here, but when I'm out here, I get reminded of how fun it is to be out here working and how peaceful it is. So, slowly chipping away at it. All right, so been scraping it away for about an hour. This tool has been great. a nice chisel hammer gets a lot of this harder stuff off. And if you look under there, there is some rust under there. So I want to take all that off as much as possible so it doesn't get worse, but it's actually not too bad shape. So I'm just gonna vacuum what I can and try to finish it off, and we're getting close for paint. Removing all these, I'm gonna replace them. They're only like 60 bucks for the set. Get the dirt, all the dirt. See that? There you go. Good job. Look, all that. Get it. You see that dirt? All right, over there too. You see all that dirt? This is about as good as it's gonna get. The more I look at it, the more stuff I want to do to it, and I just gotta go ahead and start coating. If not, I'm never gonna finish. But first I'm gonna use some degreaser and clean it up a little bit and wash it and blow dry it and first time using this product and POR-15 coating. I heard a lot of good things, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. So I'm just gonna pour it into a bottle here. One thing I love doing when I'm working on the car is cooking up, smoking. Anything I got, might as well. And got blessed with some good weather too. About to start, waiting for it to dry a little bit. But I mean, it looks dang good. Way better than I did before. It's gonna look way different once I paint it, but looking forward to this. I've been prepping the floor for several days now. That's what takes the longest. So, disclosure, I have never done this before, but it doesn't seem too hard. I haven't run into any challenges yet besides it taking forever to prep the floor. but let's see how it comes out. So here it is. I got me a paint roller and a brush. Let's go. So it seems to roll on very thin, or thinner than I thought it would, but so far so good. So reminder everyone, whenever you're starting to apply the POR-15 coat, make sure that you wear gloves, a respirator, and safety glasses. I have the dust mask and safety glasses, but realized later that I wasn't wearing gloves, and this stuff is hard to get off your hands. Also, make sure that you have all doors open. It is pretty strong. The smell gets stronger the more you pour, obviously. But just make sure you have plenty of airflow so you're not inhaling this as much as possible. It's coming down pretty good. As you can see, it's laying down pretty good. There it is, letting it dry now. Pretty happy with how it came out. I know I keep saying it, but it is way better than what it was. It looks good. I'm happy with that. That's about an hour. It's still a little wet to the touch, but it is drying out pretty good. It is a cooler day today, about 60 degrees. So ideally you want to do this when it's hotter, but this is when I could do it. So looking good. I love it. I hope you like it too. Just got to order some of those rubber body plugs, put those in. Should be good to go. Everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I appreciate y'all watching. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button. I really appreciate everyone that watches all my videos. And yeah, here's the car behind me. It is a bit dirty. I need to clean it, but hopefully y'all are satisfied with the results. I know I was. It looks way better than what it did. In the next videos, you should see me start putting the carpet and the seats back in, and looking forward to have a full interior again. So thanks again. God bless everyone.